Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Let's begin with our textual exercises. Lesson number 12, Simple Present Tense and Present Continuous. Exercise A, fill in the blanks with the simple present tense of the given verbs. First, my mother dash feed the cat. The answer is feeds. Feeds, feeds. Second, the artist dash paint his canvas in bright colors. The answer is paints. Paints. You have 2 minutes to solve rest of the exercise. Let's continue. The 4 friends dash play tennis in the evening. The answer is play. Fourth, there dash be enough water in the jug. Answer is. Fifth, they dash has a new neighbor. The answer is have. Sixth, the new stool dash has a broken leg. Answer is has. Seventh, birds dash like to eat worms. The answer is like. Eighth, father dash be upset with you. The answer is. Let's begin exercise C, page number 69. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the subjects with the given words. Make necessary changes to the verb. First, I like pizza. In bracket, Priya. Instead of I, we will write the answer is Priya likes pizza. Second, I do my household task quickly. In bracket, she. So instead of I in answer, the answer is she does her household task quickly. Third, she plays football every day. In bracket, I. The answer is I play football every day. Fourth, I cry when I watch sad movies. In bracket, my mother. My mother cries when she watches sad movies. Fifth, I often eat pasta. In bracket, they. The answer is they often eat pasta. Sixth, sometimes she stays at home. In bracket, I. Sometimes I stay at home. Seventh, I play with my neighbor's dog. In bracket, we. The answer is we play with our neighbor's dog. Eighth, he asked me to cross the road carefully every day. In bracket, my father. My father asked me to cross the road carefully every day. Let's begin exercise D. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the given verb. First, I dash to school. In bracket, walk. The answer is am walking. Second, they dash together. In bracket, sing. The answer is are singing. Third, Joy dash for New York. In bracket, leave. Answer is leaving. Fourth, the birds dash on the branch of a tree. In bracket, chirp. The answer is are chirping. Fifth, the clouds dash in the sky. In bracket, float. Answer is are floating. Sixth, Arpit dash an interesting book. In bracket, read. Answer is reading. Seventh, I dash crystal clear water from the mountain stream. In bracket, drink. Am drinking. Eighth, the stone dash to the bottom of the pond. In bracket, sink. Answer is sinking. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks with the simple present or the present continuous form of the given verbs. First, she dash a doctor. Answer is. Second, they dash now for a trip to the Himalayas. Are packing. Third, answer is are packing. Third, he dash a pet dog. Answer is has. Fourth, the man standing by the road dash for money at the same spot every day. Answer is begs. B-E-G-S. Fifth, look at this program on TV. In it, the tiger dash its prey. Is chasing. Sixth, the biker dash towards the finishing line at this moment. The answer is riding. Seventh, Neera dash the buckets with the water now. The answer is filling. Eighth, we dash as chefs in this hotel. Answer is work. So, my dear children, these exercises you have to write in your notebook, and exercise B is